So I decided to make a Gen Z website today, and I was thinking of making like a bank for Gen Zs, where you have to, and so this is the branding style, and I'm trying to choose the best colors that would fit the brand, and I came along with these colors from Chroma. Chroma is a website for choosing color palettes using AI. So I'm choosing my grid and sections. I splitted it into 12, 12 columns, and I'm trying to make a simple logo here. Sometimes I don't have to think about logos, I just write in text. Next thing, I make the video. I go to pexels.com to get the right video, which I export and make into GIF. So I was thinking of making the logo better, so I did that. Yeah, and now the navigation links. And now to the call to action. The bold call to action is best. Then subtext. Then an input field to collect phone numbers and get the app. For Gen Zs, you want things to be fast. You want to get the products out there to them so that you can use it. So you have to minimize, delays and get to the point. So yeah, you can find the app, the fictional app on Play Store, and making it accessible on the first fold of the website makes it easy for people to get what they want. Yeah, so I tried to make the what's it called? The ATM